Today's Grandma's birthday. And here's those little birds. They're getting bigger. Aren't they cute? Little baby birds. They learned how to fly, and they flew from their nest. That's right. There. And they flew down to the ledge. Aren't they cute? There's four, but the other one just flew away. They come back here. Hope nothing happens to the little one. The little guys. They're so cute. Here's Tyson again. There's Asia. Here's Ryan.
Turn that thing off.
Hey, there's Bear. Hey, Bear. There's the cute little bear.
Come on in.
Ain't those so cute little birdies? Wonder what kind they are. Can you tell?
The light was very early.